Di pa kumukuha, tatlo ng tabang sila.
Kana, dirahan to dira ako kay mag-shoes pa man ka para hindi siya awkward.
Okay lang, yari ka na.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for my next video, I'm so excited to share this to you. So first time na mag-attend ng prom yung anak ko, yung eldest ko na si RJ. Okay, so supposedly February 21 yung prom date nila, but then na-postpone due to mga successive na earthquakes dito sa Jensen. Okay, so I will show you our video during our preparations and for the day event talaga. Okay, so please enjoy watching, guys.
Record ka.
Di pa kumukuha, tatlo ng tabang sila.
Kana, dirahan to dira ako kay mag-shoes pa man ka para hindi siya awkward.
Okay lang, yari ka na.
Thank you,
Okay.
Sir Ariel.
Napaw na siya long sleeve. Dapat magawasan niya white long sleeve. Tapos sukatin na lang siya long sleeve. White long sleeve. Ayan yung kamubo, sir. Okay lang, sir?
Okay na siya. Sa kuan.
Hi, baby!
Ate Joy, wala pa ulit.
Okay guys, so I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like And please do watch out for all my vlogs. Maraming salamat!